Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you're trying to figure out how to change the wristband on your Polar Ignite 2 smartwatch. And first of all, you might also be wondering, do I have to buy a wristband from Polar? And the answer to that is no. You can actually use any 20 millimeter wristband that has a spring latch. And it's really easy to do. Once you get your, and you'll do this on both sides. With the little spring connection, what you'll do is you'll see that one side has this little spring connection that you can pull down to release the pin. And so you'll just take the old one off by pulling this pin down, which will release this pin, pulling it out, and then pulling the band out. And then when you're ready with the band that you want, you'll go in and you'll put the pin in here. You'll push it forward. You'll pull this down to pull the pin back, slide it in and release, so that the pin can go in and lock, and your wristband has changed.